Hey guys, welcome to CTE Tuning. In today's video we're going to be washing the Scatpack Widebody. I'm just going to show you before and after. I mean, the car's not filthy by any means, it's just a layer of dust. This car doesn't ever see any rain or anything like that. So I'm gonna do a touchless wash. My car's ceramic coated. Look at all the water beat up. Come closer. Look at all the beads. Look at all that dirt. In the droplets of water, you can tell if there's dirt or if it's just smooth, clear water, you'll be able to see. Now we're going to do this. Ready? Please. This thing only costs like $100, so I don't have access to like an actual pressure washer, but it really works very well. The only hard part about it is you gotta keep pumping it, but it works well for ceramic coated cars and stuff like that. Smells good. A little dual action going on right here. We're actually running out of wheel cleaner. Forgot about that. What this does is, you know, you ever notice how your tires get all like brown? That makes it all black. Now it all gets it back to its original form. This is Brio's Garage foaming wash. It eats up all the dirt. It's pretty much a pre-wash, but I use it as my main wash. It works very well. You always have to ceramic coat your car, especially with the foil, because it's just so worth it. It makes it like 10 times easier. Okay, she is all now clean and dry for the most part. So I did not do any contact wash. This was 100% touchless wash. Now, I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube, and long story short, here's the deal. If you don't take in car and it's like your toy or whatever, then that's when you could do a touchless wash, but you have to have a ceramic coated car to do it. Because if not, you know, you will have to do a contact 2-bucket rinse, and you might risk scratching it. But I mean, I guess worst you could always polish it every once in a while. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to rate, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.